Hello all and welcome to Wow Crochet. My name is Mary and today is the day we do our giveaway. Guys, get excited because when you see this guy, you know that's the giveaway and it goes on the head like so. Woo! Ta-da! I got it right. If you want to stick around at the end of this video, you'll see that I had to do this 3 or 4 times before getting it right. Okay, all right, it's on the head. That means, get ready guys, it means today's the day that we do our giveaway. Now, for those of you who have joined us here for quite some time now, you'll know that this Destashing giveaway was announced last Friday a week ago, and today is the actual day that we announce all the winners. There are 2 things to keep in mind today when I'm drawing the winners, and one is I allow the person who answered that question to win. So I'm just going to spin the little YouTube comment tracker thingy, and whichever name comes up first, I say, okay, they're the winner of whatever the next prize is. However, if they only answered one question, let's say they're in question 1 and they answered question 10, I would allow that person to win question 10. So it's a bit mumble jumbled a little bit, but every answer does have a winner, okay? I'm not sure if you understood that, but you might when you see me doing it. And the other thing you need to know when I'm doing this is, guys, when it's time for you to contact me via Messenger of Facebook or via Instagram or my Etsy store or madeit.com.au stores, don't do it publicly, guys. Send your message to me privately. We don't want your details published all over the web. So send me a private message, not public. Just heads up there. And that's it. That's all I want to say, guys. I want you to get started because everyone who wins today will win one of these and one of these. But before we go ahead with announcing winners and everything else, we're going to do the Tim Tam Slam. Now, shh, nobody's available for the Tim Tam Slam, so I'll just have to do it myself. Shh. Was that quiet enough so no one can come in? Because I want to do it. You know, I've been dieting for so long. I think it's entitled to one little Tim Tam. Just a little one. So the Tim Tam Slam, guys, is you grab a Tim Tam. That's a Tim Tam, so I never have chocolate biscuits. So you can get a close up. It's all very sticky now. It's all very warm here in Melbourne. You have to eat one corner and then you have to eat a little bit on the other corner. So you go, there. You know, that's one corner. Turn it around. I think I had too much from it. Get the other corner. All right. So you've got your 2 corners eaten. That's probably too much. Then you grab it and you go pop it in your tea or your coffee. That was very noisy, but that's what you do. Shh, don't tell anyone. It's all very sticky, but it's very yummy. So whoever wins today, do yourselves a favour, make a big mess of yourself like I've just done. Should have got tissues with me. And do the Tim Tam Slam. So whoever wins, that means everyone who wins today, which will be 10 prizes, 10 packs of Tim Tams are going off today. So if you've won, enjoy your Tim Tam Slam. Good luck all. Alrighty guys, so we are going to get our shareable link, which is there, and we are going to go like that and paste. Go down to filter duplicate users and include replies to comments. Now this will be the answer. Oh, hang on, I've got to press that get YouTube comments, don't I? Oh, I'll learn how to use this eventually. Oops. Oh, you saw the pack there with the hello. Tim Tams. That's one pack. We've got the 10 all over the place, but I'm not going to pull them all out. They won't fit into the screen. So this is going to be a chance at winning any one of those questions. So whichever Candace answered, she gets to win. Now, because she's answered all the questions, I'm going to start with the first one. Question number 1 was, what days a week do I do my lives and at what time? Your answer should have been exactly what she has there. Wednesday at 4 p.m. and Saturday is 10 a.m. It's actually Melbourne, Australia time. So Candice Duquella, I hope I pronounced your name right, you have won the answer to question number 1, which was, I do my lives at 4 p.m. Wednesdays and Saturday mornings at 10 a.m. Congratulations. All right, and here we go for another one. All right, and there, and there. Oh, here it is. I'm staring right at it. Hello, wake up and go over here. Oops, too excited. And away we go. Oh, very exciting. Richard Chattel. And Richard Chattel, we are up to prize number 2. So Richard, if you have answered question number 2 properly, you win. Question number 2 is, well, that's the answer. You've answered beads and doilies. Let's find out the question. In May, I am adding 2 new items. What are the 2 new items I am adding? And they are beads and doilies. Richard Chattel, you have won prize number 2. Get excited. Alrighty, and away we go again. Okay. There, there. Whoops. It's not working for me today. Nothing's working. I really want to get this giveaway complete, but nothing's working. Okay, here we go. Alrighty, number 3. I'm assuming we're up to. Can't even remember anymore. Handmade designs. Oh gosh. Okay, and what was the question? The question was, what small item are we making for Valentine's Day and what are we using to put on it to keep it in place? And it is a heart and we are using a magnet and handmade designs. You have answered question number 3 correct. Yay! Let's move on. Refresh the page and then we'll pop the link back in there. Like so. And we will do that, and we will do that. I'm not even looking through the camera. Is it going anywhere? Oh, is it going anywhere? There we go. Are we ready? And our next winner is Bonnie Laurel. And Bonnie says, red, because you are an 80s person. So she has answered question number 8. And that question was, I have to look at the book, that's why it sounds like I'm looking away. What colour do I look for and why do I like this colour so much? And I look for red because I'm an 80s person and in the 80s we use lots and lots of red. So Bonnie, you have won the prize for number 8. Alrighty, we're going to pop our link in here again. This is like deja vu. Deja vu. Alright, here we go. And we're going down. We're going to get our little comments there. We're going to come over here. Oh, this advertising. That's driving me batty. All right, here we go. I went too far down, sorry. And it's Katie Bear. Katie, the lovely Katie. You can answer. What are we up to? We've done a few of the answers. I've written them down as I went along. So you can answer question number 4. We've got Sunshine Bright Blanket and 56 squares. Did you answer that correct? 56 squares on Sunshine Bright Blanket. So you are getting pack number 4. Let's get on with the next one. Alrighty, let's pop that back in there. Oh, we better bring this down a little bit. Go like that, like that. Oops, too far. Get those comments and bring it down here. And are we ready for our next winner? How the next winner is Kerry Joy. So what are we up to? We're up to question number 5. Which famous person are we crocheting a top for? And what are the 2 colours? Mr. Harry Styles and green right there. You are correct, Kerry Joy. Kerry Joy, what a lovely name. So Kerry, you have won question number 5. Alrighty guys, here we go again, and we're there, and it's that, and it's that. I think I'm becoming very experienced now. Where is it? Ah, here we go. Ta-da! Oops, too high. Robin Gerard. And what has Robin Gerard won? Let's see. What was the next question? It was number 6. Number 6 is, what happens in our lives when somebody is naughty? And her answer is, or his answer, her answer is, which I'm assuming it's a girl, says you get sent off to the naughty corner. And you are absolutely correct. Let's get on with number 7. Alrighty, and we are going to, I'm very experienced at this now. You would think I'd be faster at it, wouldn't you? Being experienced, knowing exactly what I'm going to do next. And here we go. Oh, that wasn't too slow. That was fast enough, I think. And the winner is Sandy C. Oh, what was Sandy C saying? Sandy C saying. You try to say that fast. All right, the question is, who stands behind me in my lives and who helped create him? And the answer is, Guy stands behind me and my daughter helped me create him. And she says, you said she did the head and you finished the rest. She put in full details. Thank you so much, Sandy C. And congratulations. Alrighty guys, I'm moving right along. 2 more questions to go. That's question 9 and question 10. So you need to have answered those 2 questions to win this part of the giveaway. And there we go. Get happy, get happy. And the answer is Karen Beaton. Oh wait, that's not the answer, that's the name. Karen has answered, looks like she's answered all the questions. So let's go to number 9. And number 9's answer was, first the question was, I gave a bag of yarn to Margaret, one of our subscribers. Which charity did I give it to her for? And the answer was the Salvation Army. And Karen Beaton, you have answered that one correctly. You shall get your parcel in the mail as well. Alrighty, here we go again. And of course, guys, this is our final one. Get too excited. I am, because this is the last one. Are you ready? And away we go. And the winner is Kiki. She has answered the swatch blanket of 2021, 25 squares. The question was, what blanket are we making this year at the end of the year, and how many swatches are we making for it? Yes, you are correct, Kiki. Get excited. Kiki has won our final prize. Thank you so much, everyone, for entering. So there you go, guys. That is the end of our Destashing giveaway for the beginning of the year of 2021. So now that's it for now. But guess what, guys? We're this close. I can't believe it's happening already. This close to 10,000 subscribers. So we're going to have another competition coming up fairly soon. I can't believe this. Personally, I don't like doing them because they're a lot of work. But, you know, hey, what do you do? But thank you so much to the subscribers who did enter. And don't forget, guys, you've got to be in it to win it. We do have many other giveaways coming up. So keep entering those competitions. Enjoy the channel. Enjoy the tutorials. Enjoy the silliness that happens. And stick around. You might find a couple of bloopers even at the end of this one here. Just for fun. Thank you so much for joining us. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, do all those wonderful things that you already do for me. And ciao for now. Love it. Hello all and welcome to Wow Crochet. My name is Mary. Get excited today because ta-da! Let's try that again. Excuse me. One more time. Hello all and welcome to Wow Crochet. My name is Mary and today is the day we do our giveaway. Shall we? Let's try that again. I can't seem to get it right. Let's see. Hang on. It goes that way. Come on, woman. All right. Hello all and welcome to Wow Crochet. My name is Mary and today's the day we do what? Ta-da! Our giveaway! Whenever you see me grab this hat, then you know it's time for the giveaway. And guess what, guys? Time to pop it on the head. Oh my gosh, it's the wrong way around again. Can I get this right? One more time. Let's try. Let's see what it goes like that. Okay, so you got to hold the white part. Remember that. Hold the white part.